See this small boy. See wetin this small boy dey do. If you start early before you grow, you go fit become professional. You dey see now he dey stone this cloth. He's stoning this cloth. That's why it's not good to go do apprentice for HK. Okay, you see this small boy. Wetin this small boy dey do? He don't use in time as he did early for him go learn how to do tailoring. At this age, this boy don't they make clothes where big people they wear, even in own, including the one where he himself they wear. He don't they son. You see, so that's why anytime, any day, you don't need to go and stay with the waste time for HK. They stay 1 year, 2 years, you never cash out your time. They go. If you use that opportunity, go learn handwork. Go learn handwork. Handwork now in the help person. Even me as I talk to you like this, I learn handwork, and that handwork I learn don't help me well for this life where I dey inside. So earlier the better. Even from young age, if you're supposed to don't learn handwork. You see, make you watch this boy. Watch wetin this boy don't use in hand do by himself. Wetin he don't do for himself by himself, and that's what they do for other people. Before you know it, now this boy don't blow. His name don't reign for fashion designing. He go day there, day HK. By that time he come out, he never cash out, time don't go. Now this same boy, he go beg money to take chop, buy recharge card, buy data. You see, Oyibo no they pay like that now, and money to learn hacking, it too big. So make you no just go to waste your time for computer. Use this opportunity to go learn handwork. Go learn handwork. I don't talk finish. Make you watch this video. Watch this boy while they reviewing video. Now make you see how this boy take help himself. See how this boy take help himself. Learn handwork. Now that handwork now this boy carry they make money for the area. You see him? I see him. The thing surprised me. I say I go review this boy video. Make a review and make other children learn. Say earlier the better way you start to learn handwork. Now it better for you. Maybe to go there and say you want go HK. You want to spend 1 year, 2 years for HK. But if you did HK 2 years pass, you never cash out. It's still the square one. Now be the plain truth with it there. Nobody need to tell you this thing why they tell you. So use this opportunity. Come up for HK. Go learn work. Mama, watch this boy. Watch this video where I want post now. Watch the way this boy they help himself. They do handwork. Now fashion and designing this boy they do male and female clothes. Now professionals you see like that. Watch them. Watch them. If you start early before you grow, you will fit become professional. You see now they stone this clothes. He's stoning this clothes so beautifully, and he said it's his own. He's the one that is going to wear this dress. As you can see, the dress is still already in the making. You see, you can see the hand. You can see. You see how conceptual this design is. You see, he stoned it and beautifully designed it with a black color on the African design material. You see, but what's your name?
David.
David. Are you Nigerian?
Yes.
Okay, where are you from?
Akwa Ibom.
Oh, you're from Akwa Ibom. So how long have you been learning this work?
1 year and 2 months.
1 year and 2 months.
Yes.
Wow. So you said who are you learning from? Is it your father or
My boss. I'm an apprentice.
you are an apprentice here?
Yes.
You see, even without electricity, this boy is using gas cooker to heat his iron in order to be able to stick the stones on the fabric. You see, and he actually said that he's making this design for himself. So there is nothing you cannot do. I wonder some people wasting their time doing Bet Niger. Small children that are supposed to go and learn work, they are not learning. Before when time is late, they will start looking for who they will start disturbing. You see how this boy is stoning this dress so beautifully. You can see that is what he has sticked the stone to the dress. This is actually wonderful. So my brother, keep it on, eh? I believe that you'll be one of the best fashion designers.
Thank you, sir.
In Nigeria and in Africa and in the world. You will go places. Okay, just take it serious. Take what you're doing very seriously. Eh?
Yes, sir.
and God will bless you. And another thing is always put God first.
Yes, sir.
Yes, in Proverbs 16 verse 3 it says, whatever you are doing, commit it to God and you will succeed. You see?
Yes, sir.
See, commit whatever you do or you are doing to God and you will succeed. Okay?
Yes, sir.
First of all, commit it to God and see that you're already doing well. You go to places, okay?
Yes, sir.
Take care of yourself. I will keep you posted. If anybody wants any design of any kind, I will recommend you.
Yes, sir.
Because I can see that you are already doing well. This is their fashion shop. They are doing nice designs. You can see. These are one of their designs. It's an African print design. Okay. And this boy is doing well. What's your name again?
David.
David. Okay. You give me your number. Okay. I will put you on social media. Yeah, don't worry. I will come and take your number, so I'll put it on my page, so that people will also patronize, especially your mates, their school uniform, their clothes, all their clothes. They will bring it to you, so you'll be doing it for them, and you'll be making money. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Take care. Have a nice day.
Yes, sir.
Bye.